हेलो एवरीवन। तो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन द क्लेविकल बोन। सो बेसिकली क्लेविकल जो है वो एक लॉन्ग बोन है और जो हॉरिजॉन्टली प्लेस होती है। ठीक है, हमारे बॉडी में अगर हम देखते हैं कॉलर बोन जिसे कहते हैं, सो बेसिकली इट इज प्लेस हॉरिजॉन्टली एंड इट हेल्प टू अटैच द एक्सियल स्केलेटन अपेंडिकुलर स्केलेटन। सो जो एक्सियल स्केलेटन होता है जैसे लाइक स्टर्नम ओके एंड देन द वर्टिब्रा, सो इट दीज आर क्या, ये सब एक्सियल स्केलेटन है एंड इट क्लेविकल इज ओनली बोन व्हिच हैव टू अटैच एक्सियल स्केलेटन टू द अपेंडिकुलर स्केलेटन। सो व्हाट इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द क्लेविकल? सो बेसिकली क्लेविकल जो उसका जो काम होता है वो ये है कि इट हेल्प टू ट्रांसमिट द वेट टू द स्टर्नम और इट इज द फर्स्ट बोन टू ऑसिफाई। इसमें कौन सी ऑसिफिकेशन होती है? इंट्रामेम्ब्रेनस ऑसिफिकेशन होती है। सो बेसिकली इंट्रामेम्ब्रेनस ऑसिफिकेशन होती क्या है? लेट्स जस्ट डिस्कस अबाउट दैट फर्स्ट। सो अगर मेम्ब्रेन की ऑसिफिकेशन हो इट्स कॉल्ड इंट्रामेम्ब्रेनस ऑसिफिकेशन, और एक होता है एंडोकॉन्ड्रियल ऑसिफिकेशन जिसमें कार्टिलेज की ऑसिफिकेशन हो इट्स कॉल्ड एंडोकॉन्ड्रियल ऑसिफिकेशन. Okay, now let's just go come to the anatomy of clavicle, which is like very important. Okay, so इसमें क्या होता है? let's just see पहले मैं स्ट्रक्चर बना लेती हूँ. So I'm sorry, I'm really bad in diagrams. Just ignore that. Anyways, okay, so this is the lateral part of clavicle and this is the medial part of clavicle. Okay, so how do you know that it is a lateral one and it is a medial one? So if you see, you see the structure, it is flayed than this one. Okay, so basically lateral जो होता है वो फ्लेट होता है इसका प्रोजेक्ट मिडल वन. ओके, सो दिस इज अ फ्लेट एंड lateral is a flat one and it is 1/3. Okay, and medial is 2/3. ठीक है ना? So let's just come to the lateral के structure पे. So lateral में इसमें जो होते हैं 4 surfaces होते हैं: anterior, posterior, superior and then the inferior one. So for example, let's just take this pane. Okay, see, this is the pane and अगर हम उसको ऊपर से देखते हैं, this is the superior one, and if we turn this like that, it is the inferior one. Superior and the inferior. और above जो होता है, this is the anterior, and the downward वाला जो होता है, this is the posterior one. So like this is the superior. ठीक है ना? This is what? This is superior one. और इसके जो नीचे साइड होगा वो inferior होगा. I can't make the like diagram. So this is the superior and this is inferior. Okay, so above this is the border and this is what? This is anterior border and this is the posterior border. Again same goes with this too. Superior above one is, and then upper नीचे और inferior होगा, and this again anterior and then posterior. So medial one also has like 4 surface and lateral one also has like 4 surface. Okay, so now let's just come to the acha. Okay, so first let me just make the diagram and then I'm going to show you. Okay, so basically this is the medial one. Okay, so this is convex. ठीक है ना? medial जो medial 2/3 is a convex and lateral 1/3 is a concave. So अगर मैं this is like the diagram लेकिन अच्छी नहीं बनी, let me just show you through this one. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the clavicle. ठीक है? So it is like this is a medial one, this is the lateral one, and this is the medial one. Lateral one is like a flatter one, and the medial one is like not that flat like as compared to lateral one. So you guys can get to know that this is lateral because it is flat, and this is medial. It is not that flat as compared to the lateral one. Also, there is like concave. You know, you guys can see from this one, it is concave. It is what? Concave, and it is a convex. So I also told you in this one that it is medial is a convex and lateral is a concave. Same goes with that diagram. Okay. And this is the shaft. Middle one is the shaft like this. This is lateral, this is shaft, and this is the medial one. And medial is a quadrilateral because it has 4 surfaces: anterior, posterior, superior, and inferior. And lateral has 2 border and 2 surface. 2 surface concept, superior and inferior are the surface. Anterior and posterior are the borders. So quadrilateral. Let me just write that down. Quadrilateral because it has 4 surface. With surface anterior, posterior, superior, and then the inferior one. It has 2 border, 2 surface. Surface concept and superior and then inferior. I'm sorry for my writing. And 2 borders is the anterior and then the posterior. Anterior कौन सा इसमें? ऊपर वाला जो है वो anterior और नीचे वाला posterior है. And the surface is like above one is the, like just take this pen and then clavicle. ठीक है ना? Upper one is the superior surface and then नीचे वाला is the inferior surface. ठीक है? So yeah. Now let's just come to the attachments. Attachments are very easy. I just write the attachments in one form. You can take the screenshot. Okay, so lateral end has like anterior border and then the posterior border, and it has 2 surface, superior surface and inferior surface. So anterior border पे deltoid muscle attach होगा, posterior पे trapezius, superior पे subcutaneous, inferior पे trapezoid present होगा. So these are not muscles. Okay, so these are not muscles. Just look at this. Okay, so these are, one is the trapezoid ridge and other is the convoid tubercle. So I'm going to show you these like all the muscles and attachment and origin in the diagram form, but let me just tell you like very superficially. So let us come to the medial one. So medial is the anterior. Medial has what? Medial is quadrilateral. It has 4 surface: anterior, posterior, superior, and inferior. So in anterior side, pectoralis major muscle get attached, and in posterior side, sternohyoid muscle attached. Superior side पे sternocleidomastoid muscle attached होता है, inferior side पे subclavius muscle attached होता है. So basically, superior surface is always smooth. Inferior surface is rough. It has like some tubercles and some ridges, so that's why it is like like just not that smooth. So inferior has like the costal tuberosity, where costoclavicular ligament attach, and it has groove, subclavian groove, where subclavius muscle attach, and subclavian groove's margin has clavipectoral fascia. Clavipectoral fascia will attach to where subclavian groove's margin, and it has Newton foramen too, where supraclavicular artery where enters. So that's how clavicle gets supply and blood supply. Okay, so yeah, now let me just show you like all these deltoid, sorry, like the tubercles and the ridges in clavicle and diagram. Okay, so this is the superior surface and this is the inferior surface. As I told you, superior surface is always very smooth, and inferior surface is some kind of ridges and tubercles. That's why it is rough. So this is the superior view and this is the inferior view. So it has the anterior and the posterior margins. Like this is the anterior border and this is the posterior border. Again, sorry, I just went to the opposite one. This is the anterior margin. This is the posterior margin. And when we come in the inferior view, it is the posterior margin is above and anterior margin is on downside. Okay, so this is the lateral end. This is the medial end, and yeah. So superior surface, at superior surface there's no muscle attachment because there's, as I told you, superior surface is like very smooth, and the inferior one has some type of ridges and some type of tubercles. That's why muscle get attached to there. So at lateral side, this is the lateral side. This is deltoid muscle we're going to attach where anterior side. So this is the anterior. This is where deltoid muscle we're going to attach, and this is what the posterior. This is where the trapezius we're going to attach. ऊपर trapezius attach होगा, नीचे deltoid muscle attach होगा. Okay, let me just zoom this. Yeah, so नीचे क्या होगा, नीचे trapezius we're going to attach, ऊपर deltoid we're going to attach, because sorry I just thought opposite. Deltoid we're going to attach where anterior side में ना, so the anterior one, this is where deltoid will attach and this is the posterior one, this is where trapezius we're going to attach, and superior one, this is superior. So superior पे superior will be subcutaneous. I mean, what is subcutaneous? Subcutaneous is where you can like feel. अगर हम like if we touch the clavicle, we can feel that is our superior surface. It is what called subcutaneous. And lateral side पे inferior पे we have like trapezoid ridge and conoid tubercle. So see, it is also written now. This is like trapezoid line and conoid tubercle. This is conoid tubercle. Okay, so this is the conoid tubercle and this is the trapezoid ridge or trapezoid line. Okay, so where coracoclavicular ligament will going to attach. Trapezoid line or trapezoid ridge, conoid tubercle where coracoclavicular ligament will going to attach. This is all about lateral side. Okay, let me show you this one now. See, I also told you like this. This is where you guys can remember. Now let's just come to the medial one. So where those muscles that attach to medial side are what? So medial way, inferior side पे, medial is inferior. This is a medial one, and this is an inferior view. So medial is anterior is what? This one. So this is where pectoralis major muscle will going to attach, and posterior side, sternohyoid muscle will attach. Okay, anterior पे what we're going to attach? Pectoralis major. Posterior पे what we're going to attach? Sternohyoid muscle. Okay, and superior पे superiorly sternocleidomastoid muscle we're going to attach. Medial के superiorly, this is like medial one. Medial के superiorly what we're going to attach? Sternocleidomastoid. This is not a superior, sorry. This is the inferior view. Okay, if we go to this one, this is the medial one. Medial superiorly what we're going to attach? Sternocleidomastoid muscle we're going to attach. Inferior पे subclavius muscle we're going to attach, and inferior पे we have what? Costal tuberosity and subclavian groove. So let me just tell you, this is the subclavian groove. This is what the subclavian groove, and this is what costal tuberosity. So costal tuberosity, costoclavicular muscle, costoclavicular ligament we're going to attach. How we have a costoclavicular ligament we're going to attach there. What is this? This is the costal tuberosity, and this is the subclavian groove. Subclavian groove पे subclavius muscle will going to attach. So subclavian groove के margins पे clavipectoral fascia will going to attach. जिसमें न्यूट्रन फोरामेन शो नहीं हुआ बट देयर इज न्यूट्रन फोरामेन वेयर न्यूट्रन फोरामेन में सुप्राक्लेविकुलर आर्टरी विल गोइंग टू रन आपसे clavicle will going to get the nerve supply. This all about the clavicle. Also, let's just tell you the clinical relation or the clinical correlation of the clavicle. Okay, so number one clinical point is कि जो clavicle है इसमें 2/3 medial part and this is a 1/3 lateral part. So the most common or the most variable part जिसमें ज़्यादा chances होते हैं clavicle का टूटने का is the middle one. Junction between 2/3 of medial and 1/3 of clavicle. So this is like the 2/3 of, this is like the middle point, na? 2/3 of medial and 1/3 of clavicle, 1/3 of lateral. So this is like the most common point where कोई accident हो जाता है, कुछ हो जाता है, then ये बहुत एक common point है clavicle जहाँ पे टूट सकती है. So this is the number one, fracture हो सकता है. Okay, so number two is what? Cleidocranial dysostosis or dysplasia. इसमें क्या होता है क्लीडोक्रेनियल डिसास्टोसिस और डिस्प्लेसिया में क्या होता है कि जो न्यूबॉर्न होता है उसमें एक क्लेविकल होती नहीं है या दोनों क्लेविकल नहीं होते, तो उससे कहते हैं क्लीडोक्रेनियल डिसास्टोसिस और डिस्प्लेसिया. ऑल्सो आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल यू द साइड डिटर्मिनेशन. हाउ डू वी नो कि क्लेविकल कौन से साइड की है? सो इट इज़ वेरी ईजी. यस, नंबर वन इज व्हाट? लेटरल पार्ट. लेटरल पार्ट है मसल प्लेट. Number 2, medial. Medial end should be quadrilateral. If you hold the clavicle and see it, the lateral part will be flat. The flat part that is definitely the lateral part, and the quadrilateral is the medial part. Okay, so जो medial part है उसको हम body के medially रखेंगे. For example, like I'm sorry, I'm really bad with diagrams. So like this is like a just imagine this is a big man, and medial जो part है इसका medial part this is ना. So this is the medial part. It must be medially to the person. Okay, so it must be what medially. It should be placed medially, and the flattened part should be away from the body. Okay, so it will be like that. ठीक है? So medial part जो होगा body के medially होगा और lateral part होगा body के दूर होगा. Okay, so number third is a convoid tubercle. Convoid tubercle and trapezoid ridge should be what? Posteriorly. ये दोनों posteriorly होने जरूरी हैं. Number 4 is a medial end पे जो groove होता है subclavian groove. It should be what? Inferiorly. अगर ये चारों point आपने देख ली clavicle के और उसके जरिए आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये कौन सी bone है, either right side bone or left side bone. This is how you will going to know. So this was all about clavicle.